So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add the glitch effect to text here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is open up VistaCreate. Once that is done, add some text into your design. So just go to the top left here, press on text, and I'll make it a little bit larger. And since we want to add the glitch effect, I will just change the text here to the word glitch. Now, if you want to add the glitch effect, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the text right here, go to the top right and press on effects. Then go to the left hand side of your screen to where it says glitch right here and press on that. Then you can change the size of the effect if you want to do this. So it's sort of like a TikTok effect, or you can change the angle as well, just like this. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple. This is how to add the glitch effect to any text you want here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.